morning. My name is Slade Sackman. I'm with MarineMax here in Fort Myers, Florida. And this morning I'd like to speak to you about our Boston whaler Dauntless. Specifically, this sized boat is our 24-foot Dauntless. It's the second largest Dauntless they offer. This boat is a coastal boat, fishing boat, designed for bays, coastal areas, close offshore fishing. It's a very nice center console format, and I'd like to take you on board and show you some of the features and benefits of this particular vessel. So the Boston Whaler Dauntless series, as I mentioned earlier, is a coastal fishing boat. You can see that it's a center console format. It's the perfect size boat if you want to go out for a quick run around, have a single engine application. This particular boat, while it's offered with smaller horsepower, has our 350 horsepower Mercury Verado L6 supercharged motor. It's in white, which is a very nice addition to the appearance of the vessel. As you move forward on the boat, you'll see at the center helm, right here we have a large spot for variable electronics, so you may or may not choose for Simrad or Garmin or Raymarine, whatever you'd like. But we also have an electronics garage here, which is really nice. A place to store your wallet, your iPhone, iPad. It has all the appropriate plugs inside for power and data transfer. This boat is also equipped with the Mercury Smart Vessel views. Does not have the electronic one, but has the smart craft gauges, electronic throttle and shift, and of course your trim tab buttons here with LED indicator lights. You'll notice a no glare dash. This is something that helps really cut down the glare from the sun when you're out in the sun all day long and without sunglasses on. This particular boat is equipped with the hard top as opposed to a canvas T-top. This is a hard top, and you'll notice the structure is very sound, very solid. Additional rod holders on the back as well as in the back of the boat. And here at the helm seat, this is a very versatile seat. In the position it's in now, it's set up for seating, forward facing, but if we would like to lean against it, you can move this up a couple of notches and lean against this as a standing backrest. Also, it allows you to move it even further forward and have rear facing seat and access to a very large live well, plumbed live well in the seat. Center of the boat, very easy to get in and out of, get bait to and from. As we move forward on the boat, the first thing you're going to notice is a very large sun pad up here. Well equipped, tons of upholstery, very soft. This boat comes equipped with retractable lounges for both port and starboard side. And unlike most bay boats, this 24-foot bay boat, you can actually ride up here and be very comfortable because of the displacement, the weight of the hull, and the design of the hull. It's a very comfortable, rough water boat, so you'll be very pleased by sitting up here. Not everybody will be jammed in the back of the boat. You also have storage underneath in the center here. You have storage on both sides of the console, and your anchor lockers in the front right there, which you can get with or without a windlass. And in the front seat of the helm, you have a secondary live well as well. So if you want bait up here for your fishing friends up in the bow of the boat, they can just come here and not come to the back of the boat. Last but not least on this vessel, in the console, you have what actually is a very usable head. So in certain situations, if you absolutely have to use the head, you can get in here and out of here relatively easy, and they have a nice handhold above to help you crawl in and out. I would like to show you the very, very large rear seat. Only in the Boston Whaler Dauntless do you have this in a bay boat of its class. As you notice, full rear deck here, casting platform, you can lift this seat up and you have an incredibly large rear aft seat. Everybody knows in the back of the boat it's the most comfortable place to sit and ride. This one has an incredibly high back, large deep seat. So as you're sitting in this boat, you'll notice that there's lots of safety features and comfort. There's nothing better that built than the quality of Boston Whaler. They think of all the features and benefits you'd want. You have access underneath for storage if you want one side. If you want both sides, you lift this side and you get the whole seat up. So when you're done, you want to fish some more, you simply can just drop this hatch and it doesn't slam down. Nothing but quality.